Hello, everybody. So, I had a lot of questions about vertical and horizontal lines and how to think about the slope there. And so, I just wanted to make a video explaining some of those concepts again. Remember, we're talking all unit long about our y equals mx plus b sorts of equations. And what you can see here is that this first slider adjusts the slope. This is my m. And the bigger the value of m, the steeper the line, the smaller the value of m, the flatter the line, until we get to m equals 0. When it's m equals 0, it's a perfectly horizontal line. Don't say it's a straight line. Every single one of these is a straight line because they all move in the same direction forever and ever without bending. The only way we can describe m equals 0 is by saying it's a horizontal line. It's a flat line. It is also a straight line, but that is not different from this is a straight line. This is a straight line. So m equals 0 is a horizontal line. And what I hope you can also see is that no matter how big I make m, it's not a vertical line. I can make it all the way down to -10. It's not vertical. I can make it to +10. It's not vertical. I can change the b value. That doesn't change the slope at all. So that is completely irrelevant to making a vertical line. So what I want you to think about is, what does the letter m actually mean? Let's look at an example, like y equals 2/3 x plus 3. Well, what does the 2/3 mean? That every 2 boxes I go up, I go 3 boxes over. Rise 2, run 3. And what I can do is I can make it closer and closer to vertical by making the numerator bigger. I'm going to turn off the red line here. If I make my numerator bigger, like instead of 2, if I make it 5, now I'm going up 5 over 3. If I make it 25, now I'm going up 25 over 3. It's still not vertical. If I make it 225, it's going up 225 boxes and over 3. It's still not vertical. I could make it as many as I want, and it will still not be vertical because I'm moving over 3. The number on the bottom is the run. And if you have a run, you are not a vertical line. So the only way to make a vertical line is to change the run into 0. Now you will notice that the line was not graphed anymore because Desmos does not know how to divide by 0. In fact, it's not a problem with Desmos. It's impossible to come up with an answer. I typed into this line down here 2 divided by 0 and I got undefined. We use the word undefined when something has a denominator of 0. And when we're talking about a line, that means that it's not running. The line does not move left or right. It's an undefined slope. So I can't actually type it in y equals mx plus b format because it has an undefined slope. What you can do instead is type in something like x equals 2, and that'll be a vertical line. A vertical line is not going to have a single y-intercept. So there's no number that you can type in for b, and it's going to have an undefined slope. So there's no number you could type in for m. So in this whole unit, every equation is y equals mx plus b except for vertical lines. M equals 0 is a horizontal line. Undefined m is a vertical line. Okay, hope that was helpful. And I'll make one more quick video about vertical and horizontal lines and domain and range restrictions.